Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve a question about the structure analysis. The question will be analyzed due to portal method. So let's solve the question. Now I'm going to specify the inflection points because we are going to need the inflection points to solve this question. We assume that they are all in the midpoint of the beams and columns. And I'm going to take the cross section from here and take my this part to here to solve it. This will be the point E, this will be point D, and this will be G, and this will be H, okay? So now I have a force here, 5 kips, and I'm going to share this force to this both column. It's going to be 2.5 K and 2.5 K. Because these both are external columns, they are going to share at the same ratio. So now I have this part. So let's take just this part, okay, just this part to here and solve the question. And for this part, this will be the point. For example, we can say this point O, okay, and this will be point G. And we have a 2.5 here. We have a 5 kips here, and we are going to have an OY, and this will be OX, and also we are going to have a GY. Let's write the moment equation here. The moment we're going to write as at O is equal to 0. So 2.5, this will be 6 feet. This will be 7.5 feet. Before everything, let's write this one. Look at here. This is 7.5 feet, 7.5, and 6, 6, 6, 6. Because we take the half of this whole part. So 2.5 multiplied 6. 2.5 multiplied 6, because this will be negative. It is the clockwise direction. And plus GY multiplied 7.5 equal to 0. And GY is equal to 2 kips. Now we got the GY. So let's calculate OY. You can see that there is no any other vertical forces. So GY will be equal to OY as a now amount. You can see the magnitude. So this will be 2K also. But this will be this direction, and this will be at this direction. So now this is also 2K, and this is 2K. Let's calculate the OX. What is OX? How I'm going to calculate it? Look at here. This is 5K. We are going to write this total Fx equal to 0. 5K minus 2.5K and minus OX equal to 0. And OX equal to will be 2.5K. So now we calculate this part also. Let's take this whole part and to calculate this both shear, and then we are going to solve the system. So this is the point E, this is the point D, and this is F, this is G. So let's write this is I, and this is K. I have a force here 5. I have a force here 4. So I'm going to share this force as 5 plus 4 is 9 kips. And I'm going to share the half of this here and half of this here. Now I share the forces. So let's take this part. Let's take this part to analyze. Okay, this part. This I'm going to analyze it here. For example, this will be the point L. It is the here actually point L, and also we know that this is G. So also this will be G, and this will be I. For this question, actually we have 4.5 here. We have a 4 here, and also we have force, it comes from this part 2.5. If it is at this direction, for this part it's going to be at this direction. And it is the same for the gy also. If it is the downward direction for the first part, and for here it's going to be upward direction. This is the gy, this is the 2k. Okay, so now let's calculate the iy. I don't know where it is, and also here will be lx and also ly. So let's write the moment equation respect to j. But actually, before everything, let's write the total fx is equal to 0. When we write the total fx, we are going to obtain the lx. So total fx equal to 0, and 4 plus 2.5 minus 4.5 and minus lx equal to 0. What is lx? 4 plus 2.5, 6.5 minus 4.5, this will be 2 kips. Okay, now we obtain the lx. We know the lx. Let's delete this and write 2k, 2 kips. So now we obtain this one. Let's write the moment equation respect to the point j. Okay, this is the point actually j here. This is, sorry, this is j, this is not I. I'm sorry. This is j. Yeah, this will also, I'm going to correct it. This is j. And let's write the moment. The moment at the point j is equal to 0. And this will be minus 2.5 multiplied 12. This, because you know 2.5, this is 6 feet, this is 6 feet, and this is 7.5 feet. 2.5 multiplied 12, and minus 4 multiplied 6, and plus 2 multiplied 6, and plus this is ly. This is ly multiplied 7.5 equal to 0, and ly will be equal to 5.6 kips. Now we obtained also ly 5.6, and now let's write the total fy is equal to 0. And for this one, it's going to be 5.6 upward direction, 5.6 plus 2 and minus also this is jy equal to 0, and jy will be equal to 7.6 kips. And now, and this will also be the downward direction. It's not upward direction, this will be downward direction. And now this part is okay. So let's solve this part. Okay, this is this last part. Let's solve it. And 1 second, I'm gonna take it a little down, and this may stay here for now. So this is 7.6. Yeah, we have told before. So this will be upward direction 7.6. If this is 4.5 at this direction, it's going to be 4.5 at this direction. And now we have, this is the 6 feet. We have the force, and we have at A, the force AX will be equal to this 4.5, and this will be at this direction 7.6. Now we obtained all things that we need, and let's calculate the moment at this direction. At the moment at this point, okay? 4.5 when we multiply it with 6 equal to 27 kips feet, and this is the moment at A. So now we have this part. Let's calculate for all parts. This shape actually will help us to calculate the moments. This shape. Oh, sorry. And for this shape, we have a force here. We have a force here as 5. And we have a upper direction force here as 7.5, right? And 2.5 here as K. And we have a 4 here, and also 2 kips here, and at upper direction 5.6. Yeah, 5.6. Yes, this is 5.6. I just tried to make it correct. And at this direction it will be 4.5, and this direction will be 7.6. And we have a moment 27 kips to feet here. And for this one, the moment will be, look at here, this is the 5.6 multiplied 7.5. It will be equal to 42 kips to feet, okay? And for this one, we have a 2 kips, not 7 kips. I just write it here wrong, sorry. But I'm gonna correct it. This is 2 kips. Let's check together. Look at here, this is 2 OY, okay? So this is 2 kips. 2 multiplied 7.5, because you know this length actually it comes until here, it's 7.5. 2 multiplied 7.5, it is equal to 15 kips. Sorry, kips to feet. Now we have the moment values. So let's draw the moment diagram also. For the moment diagram, it's gonna be something like that. I'm going to lay it down. I have a 27 moment here, 27. And I'm going to raise at the same amount, because it's going to be a similar, it's going to be a similar shape, 27. And I'm going to goes down 42 kilonewton. When I goes down 42 kilonewton, I'm going to reach as 15. And I'm going to also raise up again at the same amount, and to reach 15. Yeah, for example, this is 15. And I'm going to carry this point to here. Okay. Now this is point A, and this is point F, and this is point E. Now you can see the moment diagram also be like that, and the question is solved. Thank you for watching. See you for the next question.